Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you what's inside of a speaker. This video is inspired by my friend Thomas because he said he was going to be baking a plate. So here are the results. Now I'm going to be going into my workshop and getting a hammer and seeing what's inside. Now I'm just going to be using a knife. Hammer time. Okay, so right here, this thing right here is the battery. Here are all the wires, and this is like all the cool stuff, right? Alright, and then I'm going to get this hammer right here, see what's inside of it, alright? And then right here, you can't really see it kind of, but like that little circle right there, that is the speaker. And I got this at Best Buy for probably like $50, but I haven't used it for the past like 5 years, so I decided to break it open for a YouTube video. Okay, so this is what it looks like from not this part, but I broke it open with the hammer. So now I'm gonna whack it with the hammer even hard. All right. Let's move these golf clubs. Okay. That was really a good spot, so I'm gonna do it on the ground right here. See, I have been denting the battery pack. Need to remove that for, almost got it. And what you want to do, get the back and just peel it off after you kind of whack it a couple times. Okay. And then this little glue right here kept all these wires connected to the other part, which is up there. Okay? And then there is this little like spider web kind of thing that you want. Then you want to get this again. Kinda just pull it kind of hard. And then there are these little kind of things that kind of hold it in. So what you want to do is get this again. Whack it a couple times. See, I kind of made a dent in it. So I took kind of like all the little support cables off of it. And now it's kind of like deep in. So all you want to do, okay, as you can see, I kind of took the little spider web thing out, but that's not good, okay? Because, oh wait, never mind, I just got it out. Look at that. And then right here, this thing is kind of sticky, so it stays there. So I bet you if this stays here for probably like 24 hours, it'll probably like just be stayed there. But what you want to do with this is you get like a knife or some kind of scissors and just kind of saw it out. So now I'm gonna see how to get inside of this guy right here. Okay. Alright, this is a handmade saw. Do not try this at home, kids. Ooh, look at that. That's just from one little kind of... So actually, I'm going to do this on the top. Oh man, that's not working. Oh wait, actually, there's this little crevice right here. Okay. As you can see, that's not working as good. So what I'm going to do is hit with the... hammer's not working, so let's try my golf swing. So, if you want to do a golf club, I would recommend using the 3-wood or a 9-iron. Remember, oh, actually, I don't want to do that. I don't want to hit my mom's car. So, remember to always think about what you're about to do before you do it, alright? Now, just, just hit it a couple times. As you can see, I got this little part off. Now I'm just going to keep hammering it. So this is the setup. Got a golf club here. Got the saw here. Got the battery pack here. Got the little spider web part here. Got the speaker here. Then I got the second half. Oops, sorry. Then I got the second half of the speaker right here. Ready to be breaking this open after I break the speaker open. Okay, so what you want to do is, I would recommend using one of these clamps, right? Recommend using one of the clamps, okay? And then, I would recommend using the clamp for the small one, so that it can just like kind of like turn butter, kind of. Okay. So this is what it looks like now. I don't want to break the actual speaker open. I just want to take everything off of the main part so I can see what the speaker looks like inside. This might be a 2-parter video, or maybe a 4-part video, for one part being, or 2 parts being for this and 2 parts being for the other half. But the other half might just take 1 video. But I am 100% going to do them in 2 videos, and they might be in they might be both today, and they might both might be tomorrow. But I don't know, maybe we might. Remember, always be careful. Always, always be careful. And if you're doing this and you're a kid, I would recommend being with an adult or some kind of older sibling. Now, when you're cutting the wires open, I would be really careful and not to get shocked. Okay, so these little the spider web things that like kind of attach it to it, these are just really easy to kind of just peel right off. So I'm going to peel those off so I can get a good kind of grip to the actual main part of the speaker. Ooh, I got the speaker open. Let's go. And now this little guy's kind of connected to the speaker. So, just kind of gonna, just really quickly. Okay, I got it off. And as you can see, it kind of got that part. So, now just use your hand. Okay, so now I got this little coin looking part on it. That's what it is. And then here's a little coin that's made of metal. As you can hear it really loud. It's really loud. It looks like a little piece of plastic, but it's actually a coin, kind of. So I put that over here. Okay. Back to the drawing. So, as you want to do is this little part right here, just kind of peel it off. It's kind of hard. Okay. Ow! Ow! Scratched myself. Ow! Ah. Aha! Aha! I kind of got that shell open. Whoo! Got all these little holes right here. Then I got this big one. As you can see. Right here. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this off my balcony again so I can kind of open this shell. Okay, dropping it off balcony, second time. Here we go. Okay, so found it right here. As you can see, it didn't really do much damage, so probably gonna have to do it a third time. This video was inspired by Thomas Casciato because he said he was gonna be breaking a plate. Okay, third time on the balcony. Hang on, just needs better lighting. Okay, here we go. Ready? Throwing it really, really hard this time. Okay, kind of kind of had a bounce kick, so we might have to do it a fourth time. Ooh, we kind of had some progress. This little kind of caved in a little bit, and I could kind of push it. Ooh, ooh, I think I can push it out. Yep, I can push it out. Okay, so now I could probably just peel this part off because it's not as connected as it was. And if you're going to be doing this, which probably not going to be, but if you do, I would strongly recommend using gloves because the stuff's really, really sharp and I almost cut my finger on it and it really hurts. So, yeah. Okay. So, now, now we're going to be taking the speaker part out of the base. See? All you have to do is take this little collar off. Just kind of got to push a little bit. Hang on a second. I see it's wiggling and I could move it and stuff, but I think this bottom part right here is too big. Hang on a second. Ha! That's pretty cool, look. It's a magnet. Ha! How cool is that? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, as you can see, the whole thing of it, it's out. But I can't get the bottom half of it. I need to get this little protective body off of it. Maybe I can use a nail. Maybe I can use a nail. No, because I don't want it to bounce off and hurt me. So let's try to use hammer and just take everything off of this. Okay. Camera's about to die, so stay tuned for part 2 of breaking open the speaker.